I have to finish a lot of things before I leave for Japan. I'm here in Japan.
Feel like falling deeper.
Glitter Act
Cold
Holiday
nights 나
Collection.
너무 싫어. 기다리기에는 너무 길어.
Another school day for me. I have a few packages here. Naisip ko before I head to campus, magpapack na ako for Japan. Para wala na siya sa isip ko, guys. I have yung mga packages na in-order ko sa last vlog ko, if napanood nyo yun. So, dumating na sila. Almost lahat nandito na. Start ko dito. I have a full day on campus, so i-maximize ko na yung time na nandito ako sa bahay. So, I ordered this selfie stick from the brand Ulanzi. Medyo mabigat siya. So, feeling ko kakayanin niya tong big camera ko. Because I bring this big camera talaga kapag nagta-travel. Oh! Guys, can you guess what this is? I have to be very careful with this one kasi baka mabutas ko siya. Tada! It's a Capybara plushie. Ang maganda dito, guys, meron siyang kasamang blanket sa loob. You can use this as a pillow. Like, nakaganon ko. Meron na tayong extra pillow and blanket. Alright, next package. So, I ordered hair care products. I'm into hair care nowadays. From the brand BETTERHAIR. So, this is a dry shampoo and a hairspray. Oh, wait, meron din pala siyang hair stick. Yung pag mag-slick hair kayo, ganun. But yeah, I've been into hair care these days. I don't know if you guys have noticed. Like last night, I used the hair serum from Dove. Nag-everything shower ako last night because I know I'm gonna have a full day today. Most of the time, tinatamad ako mag-makeup, guys. So sa hair na lang ako bumabawi. And napapansin ko, mas nagmumukhang put together. Oh, speaking of hair, I also got some hair ties from this brand, Goody. I heard matibay daw tong brand na to, guys. So, para meron akong babaunin sa Japan. Next, I don't know kung ano to kasi walang nakalagay. But, oh! Okay. I also ordered some new clusters. Here you go. With this one, hindi to yung super dikit na lashes, but I do love the design kasi sila yung pinaka-natural looking. Ang ginagawa ko is maglalagay talaga ako ng Hair Win Make Mascara and then tsaka ko siya dinidikit para mas sturdy siya. And super mura lang. I think this is just 75 pesos on TikTok. I will put the link below. This one's from Shopee. I ordered yung Serum from Standard Seoul. Repurchase of my moisturizer kasi I know na winter sa Japan. I know magiging dry yung skin ko. So, nag-order na ako ng backup ng Standard Seoul Barrier Glass Gel Cream. If you have dry, sensitive skin, this is really good. Pero ordered na rin itong serum, brightening serum, kasi mas nakakamura if duo siya bibilhin. Last one for this morning, I got a PR package from Issy. Wow, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh. So pretty. What are these? Glitter Act Holiday Collection.
Glitter suspension stick and the fat gloss.
We have new shades of their fat gloss and some glittery sticks. Ganito siya, guys. I have to get ready now. We have to leave. Medyo maaga ako pupunta sa campus because I have to finish my thesis writing ASAP before ako lumipad sa Japan. Alright, so I'm here sa campus. I have to finish a lot of things before I leave for Japan. So, ngayon natin sila gagawin. I brought with me my small planner. Malapit ko na rin ito maubos. Like, andito na ako. So, today is January 22. So, kailangan ko matapos itong mga nakasulat dito. I wrote this down kaninang umaga. First thing that I have to do is submit a video to a client. I started editing it last night, pero hindi pa ako super done with it. Second, I have to revise my UNI survey. So if you guys don't know, I'm finishing my thesis this term. So nasa survey stage na ako. And I consulted with my thesis mentor last Tuesday. She did a run-through sa mga survey questions ko, and I have to revise some parts and submit it to her for approval, for final review and approval. If meron pa akong time, magta-transfer din ako ng files to my laptop kasi kailangan kong i-free yung phone storage ko before I leave for Japan kasi wala na akong storage, guys. So yun, I have to squeeze in pala replying to emails kasi hindi ko siya nagawa this morning because I got ready for school. So yun ang mga gagawin ko before my actual class starts. Let's lock in and get to work. Okay, I'm done with the video. Finally done editing it, and now I just need to submit it to brand. Now I have to work on my thesis, the UAI survey. Since tomorrow's Friday, I have to ask my mentor na kaagad if there are any other revisions that I need to do. Guys, grabe yung trauma sa Viber messages. As I was saying, Friday tomorrow, last working day yun. Siyempre, ayoko naman mag-send ng output over the weekend kasi, come on, it's the weekend. I really need to finish it by today. First time trying this, so I hope it's good. Alright guys, so update, it's already 3:04 p.m. Pretty much done. Submit ko yung video. I also submitted my revised UAI survey and naka-reply na rin ako sa emails. So yeah, I think I got a lot of work done. Congrats self. I'm just gonna wait for my class now since my class starts at 4:15 p.m. and it's only 3:05. I have 1 hour and 10 minutes of free time. I'm just gonna chill here sa view na to. I just wanna share, I love Bash pouches kasi sobrang tibay nila guys. This is the pouch that I use sa DJI ko. Ito yung nagiging case niya, pero I think this is a passport holder. I will link this below. Sana may stock pa though. I heard mabilis ma-sold out to. I'm just going to stay here for a while, wait for my friends kasi dadating sila I think around 4 p.m. I'll just see you guys again later after my class.
Next week, quiz na, no?
I did it. I got my usual sukiyaki. I'm so sad kasi wala silang kimchi, guys. They only have salad. I always get kimchi pa naman whenever I'm here. This is super sarap yung kimchi nila. I got cheese instead. Oh my god, that looks good, Casey. I'll take a photo of that. Forgot to give an update earlier. So, very quick lang yung naging class namin. May ginawa lang kami sit work and yan, sinabit na namin sa canvas. I got something pala from Watson's earlier kasi na-realize ko wala pala akong napak na soap, the Radiant Care Serum bar. The pink one or the peach one. This is my favorite. Okay, time to eat, y'all! Cheese! Hi everybody, good morning. It's 6:59. It's almost 7 a.m. Today's a work day for me because I'm gonna shoot something for a brand. Very early kasi may errands din kami after nito. So I have to squeeze it in my schedule this morning. I'm just waiting for my videog. While waiting, I figured I'll just order coffee for everyone. Pero I asked Raj na and he said he wants cold brew. Tama ba? Vanilla sweet cream cold brew. And yung pinakamalapit na cafe dito is Starbucks. So, perfect. This is for Raj. For Mom.
para sa kanya.
Oh my gosh, brown it's zero.
Siguro dumulas na lang yun, di ba? Kukuha lang. Yun, ganun na ganun. Ganun na ganun. Ganun na ganun dapat.
Actually,
Ito rin
safe lang
yan.
siya. Yeah.
Tapos mag-zoom out lang. Depth.
Pero yung camera kasi sa taas. a.m. I got some croissant and green tea latte. I had 3 hours of sleep kasi pag uwi ko last night, nagpack pa ako, like last minute pack. And I had to charge my devices, like yung camera na to, laptop ko, my other camera, yung big camera. Yeah, it's now 8 a.m. and we're just gonna wait for our flight. I'm gonna try this green tea latte. Usually ganitong oras ako kumakain ng breakfast, 8 a.m. Ngayon parang hindi ko kaya mag-heavy meal. Let's also try some croissant. I'm here in Japan.
care about it all. 어젯밤과 함께 떠나갔던 안개는 나를 전혀 바라보지 않잖아. 우리 둘 사이 관계는 깊지 않아 보이는 거 알잖아. 발장을 끼지 않고 걷기로 해.